Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts on Telegram. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So, first of all, go to contacts, just right there. Let's say I want to delete this one. Just click on his name, tap over here, then tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Alright, click on delete contact. It says, are you sure you want to delete this contact? Tap on delete, and that's it. That is how to delete contacts on Telegram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.